Oh, that took a picture.
No, it started.
Oh, okay. I can't see it.
Are you gonna go next?
Yeah, good luck with this one. I don't even know if I'm pointing it at him. I have no idea. Pointing it in the general direction.
Okay, so I lied. This is better than going to town. Okay, you can stop. Oh,
Did you-
right. Come back down.
Did you hear that sled screaming?
His sled sounds really good though.
Triple sound awesome.
So to stop it, I press the same button.